Hello viewers, hope everyone is good. So today's topic, no. So we are going to learn testing. So I'm going to create first test case in Testim AI powered test automation tool. Okay. So if how we want to install Testim AI powered automation tool, no, you can watch my previous video. So just within minutes we can do setup testing setup for better understanding and for better learning. So this is one of the AI powered test automation tool. So where we can improve our skill set. And this is a very good automation tool. Yes, Testim is a AI powered test automation tool. So this helps with end-to-end testing of web applications. Okay. So here we are seeing some features, right? So here you can create tests using a record and playback approach. And here we have some additional features like so we can integrate with yes, we can do CI/CD integrations with Jenkins, GitHub Actions, Circle CI, and also we can perform cross-browser testing as well as mobile testing. So with Chrome, Firefox, and uh, and also we can write some customized JavaScript coding here. So we can do parallel execution also. Some better advantages we can see in this AI powered test automation tool. So in this session, what we are going to learn is we will start creating our first test case in testing AI powered automation tool. Okay. So for now, I picked this demo URL practice.expandtesting.com. So this is our demo test URL. So here we have a lot of like functionalities. So we can pick any one functionality and we can test it. We can use for our testing purpose. Okay. So I will click on the radio buttons. Click on the radio buttons and select a radio button, green. So okay, I selected red radio button. Here we will select football radio button. So this is our test case, simple test case. So it is in the blue. I'm selecting red here. Select your favorite color. Select your favorite sport. I am selecting football. So this is our test case. Now pick this. Uh, okay. What we'll do, right? Okay, pick this URL completely. Uh, Go here. So we'll pick web inputs, right? Some web inputs. Okay, what we'll do, right? Okay. So we will change our test case now. So in this inputs, right? So we have display inputs, clear inputs, right? Try to add a number, then text, password, test, and select some date, today's date, display inputs, and clear inputs. So this is our test case. We will do this is our test case. Okay. So for that, copy this URL, copy this URL, go to the testing AI powered test automation tool. So here you can see, right? So this is the test editor where we are going to write the all the test cases in the test editor. This is the test list where you can create tests. You can add that to the test suits. So here here also you can create the test and also you can create the test suits. So here you can see the executions here. So what are the test runs you are making, right? You can see the execution part here. For now, go to editor. So here, see, you can start recording right here directly. Before that, we'll create one new test. So here, go to here, click on new test. Once we click on new test, by default, it appears this draft and untitled test. Can you see here, untitled test? So for now, I'm going here. This we will learn. I will explain it later. For now, just select active, create one test case name, edit name, new test case title, input data, input data. Okay, this is our name of the test case. And see, can you see here, start recording, or you can do from start recording. Here also you can see testing predefined steps. This we will learn later, and shared steps, these things. So for now, we are going with record and playback here. So either you can do click from start testing here, either from here. I'm clicking from start recording here. So it is asking enter your app URL. So whatever I copy now, enter your app URL. So remember my decision. This we will learn about later. So for now, I entered app URL here, create test. Once you went app URL, can you see here practiceexpandtest.com/inputs. So we will reach to this page. For now, what I'm doing, I'm entering number 10, text alpha, input test test, password, and select today's date. Okay. After that, I'm clicking on display inputs. Can you see the output number, whatever we typed input typed here. So the same data pop-ups here, appears here. Now clear inputs. This is our test case, and click on close icon. Okay. Can you see here? Now this is our test case we designed. So test cases are not yet saved. Can we save our test case? Save it. So just give test case input data. Save it. Test input data saved successfully. Okay. Can you see here default configuration? So we are recording on the Chrome, right? So Chrome, this is Windows machine. So and also resolution it recorded. Okay. Now base URL. What are the URL we put it? This is the base URL recorded. So steps. What is the steps count? 12. View test history. We'll see later. So 12 steps count. So each one. So we have done record and playback, right? So it captured the screenshot. So the record and playback happened in the name of screenshot. Can you see here? Play from here. Toggle breakpoint. So this one all we'll learn step by step. So for each screenshot, it is giving. Okay. Now it is telling 12 steps here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All these 12 steps. I think closing the browser, it is not recorded here. Okay. We will see. Now we recorded the step, we save, right? So we are doing everything in the editor. Now go and check in the test list. See, can you see here? Once we save the test, it will come and sit automatically under test. This is the test. You understood, right? Now go to editor. Try to see next to record on button. Can you see here? Run test. You can click directly here, run test. It launches the execution. So what is happening? See, the execution is very fast, but so I think we did not click the display inputs. That's why I did not click this. We don't have step here, display inputs. I'm closing. Okay, before closing it, I will show you one more step. See, can you see here? Input data. Here, the steps are recorded till 12, right? So clear inputs, display inputs. Okay, it is there display inputs, but it is not clicking. I think the execution is very fast. We will see. See here, the steps are told, right? I close the browser, right? But that is not recorded here. So that's why still once the execution is completed, the browser is not closing automatically like Playwright or Cypress. So still the app is open. When you click on here, go to app. So close it manually. Can you see here? There is no browser. Go to the app. Okay. We will rerun one more time. So now I clicked here, right? Can you go on? See here, they are giving some other options. Run in incognito mode, run locally with debugging, run locally with same parameters, run great. So run locally, I'm giving again. See, it is inputting the data. Yeah, display inputs. The execution is quick. After display inputs, it is clearing the inputs. Test completed successfully, but the browser is not closing. Okay. See here. Can you see here? Passed 14 seconds. The execution time it took 14 seconds. The test got passed. Yeah, this one we didn't do resize. The resize did not happen by the viewport. That is one thing. But the test, it's a minor one. It didn't capture, but the test got passed. See here, everything in green. Passed. Can you see when I do mouse over passed? Okay. This is like debugging execution. So whenever we create the test case, we will run, right? So we will run and execute whether the test case passed or not. So like that, this is the execution. If you want to execute and see the report, no, so this will be under here executions. But I'm not running in the suit level. So I'm running individual test case. So whether my test case is running successfully or not. So after developing, we'll run individual and we'll check, right? So before adding to the suit. So even you can go here, so other ways also, but this will not capture the report. So you can see the report here for this test case. Whenever you run that individual test case, that report will come and sit here, but you can't save it. That is the whole idea. Okay. So this is our first test case, guys. I hope this is very helpful and understandable. Thank you. We'll come up with more test cases in different ways. In upcoming sessions, we'll try to execute. We'll create the test suite and we'll try to execute. We'll see the reporting here. Yeah, in coming tutorials. Thank you.